Rupa Goswami and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he instructed him about Bhakti Bhajan and about writing books about Bhakti for the Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya, then he told him, he gave them the outline. He gave Sanatana Goswami the outline for his books, and he also, it's called Rupa Shiksha and Sanatana Shiksha and Madhya and Leela of Chaitanya Charitamrita, chapters 21 to chapter 25. Our Lord Chaitanya's essential summary teachings to Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami, Sri Rupa and Sanatan, to establish the basic Sambandha and Abhideya, sadhana and practices, and also the prayojana, the goal of Krishna consciousness, or what we call Radha Krishna Bhakti Bhajan. And they also, Lord Chaitanya taught them the Tattva and Siddhanta. What is the sadhana and the sadhya? What is the sadhana of Gaudiya Vaishnava? And what is this sadhya? Sadhya means the goal and the practice. Sometimes it says sambandha. Sambandha means bhakti gyan. Means the knowledge of one's identity, material identity in the material world, and one's spiritual identity in relation to Bhagavan. And then it goes deeper and deeper levels of what is that sambandha tattva. Knowledge of the jiva in relation to his body and karma, the knowledge of the jiva in relation to his Siddhadeha and Sarup. So there are many different levels of sambandha gyan. Getting sambandha gyan and practicing the sadhana as a Vaidhi sadhaka. That's the Abhideya. Getting sambandha gyan of higher, not higher, let's say higher, yes, or more advanced level. And then you attain that sambandha gyan of Raganuga Bhakti and Ragmarg, and maybe awareness and knowledge of your own spiritual identity received from Guru, or by blessings of Nam or saints or whatever, or even some inspiration from heart, if possible. So that higher type of sambandha gyan or knowledge of your spiritual identity and your spiritual form, your abhideya or your sadhana will be of a different nature called Raganuga Sadhana Bhakti. And then your goal, the sadhya or goal of the general Vaidhi sadhaka is back home, back to Godhead. What is your goal? I want to go to Krishna. I want liberation. But when you come, as you develop more knowledge and awareness and attachment to Krishna, you understand that the goal is sweetness, and particularly the sweet form of Bhagavan, Madhurya Purushottam Sri Krishna, and the goal is to worship Krishna with the sweetness of your own heart, which is called Prema Bhakti Seva, or Prem Seva. So Prem Seva, our goal is Prem Seva, whether we're in a sadhaka roop, or whether we're in Alaska, or in Vrindavan, or anywhere. The goal is Prem Seva, and the goal is Madhurya Rasa Swadhana. The goal is relishing Madhurya Rasa.